Hello, Jim from Tech Buzz. Today we've got the Thinkware Dashcam F200, so we're going to unbox it, show you what's inside, then go through the software and so on, and then bring you some clips and let you see what it's all about. So this is the F200, the last one we did was the F50, so this has got 2CH capable, it's 1080p at 30 frames per second, 140 degrees wide angle, safety camera alert, thermal protection and energy saving. And on the side it just repeats that again. You've got Wi-Fi built in as well, but you have to buy optional extras to get some of the other stuff in it, like safety camera alerts, and then you have the hardware for energy saving, parking and recording. And you can also get a compatible rear camera as well, so if you want the full ecosystem you might want to check that out. So let's get inside and have a look. If this seal wants to come off. Right, so this is it here. We have got our mount, we have got our cables here, and it's an interesting setup there. We'll check that out in a minute. Your gel, you have some extra bits here for holding your cables in. You've got your 3M sticky pad, you have got your SD card that comes with it, which is excellent, and that is 16 gigabytes. That's nice to see. Some manufacturers of dash cams don't send them with the device. Putting one on it is a good extra. And you've got your usual books and stuff, but we're going to go through the menu ourselves here in a while. And here is the dash cam itself. Now this is a more slender design, and it's got Thinkware branding on the front. You've got your lens here, and you've got your power up on top. You have your GPS module plug in here, and your extra leads there, V in. So that's pretty much it there. You've got record here, so you've got instant recording on the go, so you just press that if you want to record something. You got your Wi-Fi here, and that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple setup. So I'm just going to check out these wires to see what this yellow and black wire is all about. And that's for hard wiring, so we won't be hard wiring. But then again, I've hardwired some dash cams, which can be beneficial. It depends on your own setup. So this is what you're going to be left with here, as you can see. So you'll have your typical power, which goes in on the side there, goes in here, and then you hardwire from here. So this isn't actually a simple plug and play. It's not ready to go into a cigarette lighter or stuff like that. So this needs to be hardwired if you want, or if you have an adapter at home that might fit. But most adapters are USB-C or micro USB, or the older version. So straight away, that's something you need to consider first before you pick this up. Just out of the box, I've never had a dash cam that came like this before. It was normally a straight. You can either plug it into your USB or you can plug it into your cigarette lighter. So that's going to be interesting, but we'll hardwire it anyway and get things moving. And we'll have to come back again and have a look at the software. Pretty strange for a dash cam, but again, that's just my first time to have one of these in this particular format here. And of course your SD card goes in on the bottom there, so that's really about it for the unboxing experience and what to expect and what to look out for before you hit purchase. But it's a nice slender unit. I do like this design. It's thin, it's not conspicuous, it's not going to be in the way, and I do like that aspect of it. So come back after the break and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so this is what your dash cam is going to look like when it's mounted in the window. As you can see, it's small, it's not anyway big or like that, it's slim. You can actually fit this in your pocket, and I've hardwired this as you've had to, but it's not too big of a deal, and it's probably the best idea to have, because then you have further options being hardwired for continuous rolling and so on. So we're going to have a look at the app and then some clips after the break. Okay, so this is what the Thinkware app will look like here. So you have your live view here, you can see you're connected down here, and your little folders in here. So in your file list here, you're going to have continuous instant, motion detection, parking instant, manual recording, and downloaded videos. So if you just click into each one there, you will be able to get all the recordings present on the card, and the same goes for the whole lot here. And then back here you have your settings. So you have your memory card settings, which is as follows. You have your camera settings here, you have your record settings, so you can have battery protection, record timer, your voltage, and your window battery protection here. You have your road safety settings, and you have your system settings here. So you have English, volume, time, and so on. Synchronizes your phone, daylight saving, speed, and speed stamp. And that's what the app will actually look like there. So then you have your dash cam info. So you need a GPS plug in, you have your local ID, your memory size, your safety camera version, firmware version, and model name. And then you have your connection settings there. If you go into your Wi-Fi, you have these settings here, and that's basically it there, and pretty simple indeed to use. And if you go into live view, you will be presented with what's on the camera at present, and you can align it here like so, and you can tap here, and you have your miles per hour down here, your voltage and date and time, and you have voice recording enable or inactive, whatever the case may be. And this just allows you to line up the camera here, and you have some information down here on the bottom. So over on to some clips, and that'll be the end of the video, and we'll talk to you in the next one. up the Thinkware F200 review. Any questions?